Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Jet 708675 PKXA CAW. This cabinet table saw from Jet is priced moderately, making it accessible to advanced woodworking hobbyists and professionals alike. The saw offers a 3-horsepower motor that drives the 10-inch blade at 4,300 revolutions per minute. There's also a quick-releasing riving knife directly behind the blade to reduce the risk of kickback when working with thicker materials. The rip fence is adjustable out to 50 inches to the right of the blade or 13 inches to the left of the blade, giving you the ability to make extremely wide cuts. For the price, the rip saw is relatively sturdy and won't need to be replaced for several years. In addition, the blade can make cuts up to 3 inches in depth and is able to tilt to the left so that you don't burn wood when making angled cuts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SawStop CNS175-TGP36. This hybrid table saw from SawStop is ideal for use in smaller shops or home garages where space is at a premium. The saw offers a smaller 1.75 horsepower motor and a 10-inch blade, but it retains most of the power of a larger cabinet saw. The table, which is made of cast iron, comes with a set of removable cast iron wings that add length and stability. With the wings in place, the saw offers up to 52.5 inches of width to the right of the blade and 16.5 inches to the left of the blade. However, beware that some users complained of issues with aligning the wings to be level to the table and that the table itself was not flat when shipped from the manufacturer. The T-Glide steel rip fence is another nice feature of this saw. The fence is more heavy-duty and durable than the fences found on comparable table saws, which ensures that you'll get accurate and smooth cuts without having to upgrade your saw. At number 3, we have the Fox W1837. This hybrid saw from Fox is offered at an extremely affordable price under $1,000, making it a perfect entry into the world of stationary table saws. The saw's belt drive motor offers 2 horsepower and spins the 10-inch blade at 3,450 revolutions per minute. To ensure there is no kickback at that relatively slow blade speed when working with thick or knotted materials, the saw includes a riving knife directly behind the blade. In addition to the riving knife, there are also other important safety features to this saw. The saw features an anti-kickback pawl, a new technology being added to some table saws to prevent materials from moving backwards after passing over the blade. There is also a cover over the blade that prevents accidental contact from above or wood chips from flying at you while working. At number 2, we have the SawStop PCS 31230-TGP252. This large cabinet table saw from SawStop is designed with professionals in mind. The powerful 3-horsepower motor is connected to the 10-inch blade via a belt drive system, which improves the longevity of the saw. The table itself is extremely large, at over 80 inches long, and includes a T-Glide steel rip fence for making rip cuts up to 52 inches wide. The table comes in a set of extension wings, so it can be made more compact for working in a smaller shop area. Users found that there were no issues with the table being level, as was the case with the other SawStop saw we reviewed. The table can be precisely adjusted using a set of cast iron handwheels, and there are measurements all around the base of the saw to make it easy to track your adjustments. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita 2705X1. This contractor saw from Makita is designed to be portable without giving up on power. The 15-amp motor drives the 10-inch blade at 4,800 revolutions per minute, which in itself reduces kickback. To further ensure your safety when using the saw, there are 2 independent anti-kickback pawls that can be stopped when you don't want them to affect your cuts. There is also a tool-less removable blade cover, and the blade itself can be replaced without tools, reducing hassle and the likelihood of hurting yourself with the blade at a job site. One of the unique features on this table saw is the set of dual side guards that can be used in conjunction with the rip fence. These guards can you maneuver a piece of wood through the blade or be used to easily measure the distance from the blade to the rip fence.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.